Now to get started with the Ecwid, in this step-by-step tutorial guys, I'm going to be showing you how we can start selling into Ecwid. This is an amazing place to get started, even totally for free. So if you don't have like enough money or you have like a really low budget, I believe Ecwid is going to be like the right option for us. So let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to sign up. So if you click into the link down below that I'm going to leave you guys, you want to get started totally for free. What you want to do is to provide an email as well as a passcode and your full name. After that, you want to go into next, set up your store. Next is going to be asking you for the address of your company, if you're just getting started, if this is only for yourself, where are you currently from, the region, the zip postal code, and of course the country. After that, you fill that and go into continue. After you input all the presets of what you're actually looking for into Ecwid, you're going to be seeing your dashboard. So what I want to do is to show you the actual dashboard. Here into the dashboard, as you can see, we do have a to-do list, which I think is really helpful if you don't know how to get started, if you don't know what to do in order to have like a really strong website and you're just getting started. So as you can see, we have created now our account. So what is next to be done is to set up our very first website and the storefront if you wanted to. So if you see the to-do list, I'm going to click here where it says set up your website and the storefront. So it's going to be popping up this new section where we can edit your store. So as you can see, this is just a template that was created for us totally for free, of course. If you don't like that, you don't have to worry about that. Just click into the theme section, and here I can choose whatever design theme that I want to, depending on what is my niche. So if you go into all themes, I want to look out for something that can be accurate for myself. For example, let's say electronics and computers, or just services. So I'm going to click into services, and I have different options that I can choose. So I can look out for one that I liked, and I can choose use this theme, and voila, now we have a new theme already been created into our Ecwid. As you can see, the elements are like the same. So as you can see, we have like the very first part, we have our products, we have the why choose us, about us, location, and contact us. But if you ask me, if you're just getting started, if you don't have any kind of money, the fact that we have all of these elements into our website is, I believe, more than enough. So after that, I can go into the side sections, and here I have the headline and cover images, so I can change the headline of my website. So I can change this, for example, from text express, and here into the description, let's say the best way to learn about everything. So I can customize this as I wanted to. I have the cover layout if I want to see this into the right sidebar, into the left sidebar, into the half screen, or whatever you are looking for. And here I have the call to action button if you want to, let's say for example, just see the very first part like this, and I can just type into shop now. It's going to be taking me of course in here, which I think it's like really strong decision. So what you can do is to change your store, you can change your company size, your customer testimonials, the about section, the location, and your contact information. So once you filled all of that information, I believe you're going to be just ready to go. Now I can show you guys something called the product. So now I'm going to get into save. You don't have to worry about the products that appears in here, because there's a lot of products that of course are just like some templates. So if I head back, I want to of course make sure that my website is now been saved. I'm going to go back here into the control panel, and this is the part where we want to add our products and services. So if I scroll a little bit down, you don't have to worry about filling this up. I want to go for add your products or services. So here, as you can see, there are a lot of sample products that you can delete if you wanted to. In my case, I'm going to select this option. It says 9 products selected, and I'm going to choose delete all the sample products. I'm going to hit into yes, and here what you can do is to add a new product, and here I have my images, my name, the SKU number, the weight, the pricing, and the description. So here what you want to do is to upload like the most accurate images that you can add into your actual section. For example, let's say that this is like a digital art image of a cheeseburger. So we'll look out for cheeseburger art, and SKU number, we're going to type 00 number 1, the weight is going to be 2 kilograms, and the price is just $4. And here into the description, I can type whatever I wanted to, like that, and hit into save. Now it's really important, guys, that you change the attributes the options, your files, the shipping and pickup, the CEO, the related products, and the buy now button. So if you want to embed this product into another place, you can do that. Let's say, for example, into a new website you have generated totally for free, or into a blog or wherever. So once you have successfully added that, here into the shipping and pickup, you want to just take a look into the shipping rates. Really important, guys, that you check that out. I can strongly suggest you to leave the free shipping section, and if you're going to be paying for a rate, if your customer is going to be paying for a rate, you want to add this into the product price. For example, since this is only for $4, I'm going to be adding like the shipping rates and all that. But since this is just a digital art, I'm not going to be paying, I'm not going to be charging for any shipping of that. So hit into save, here hit back into catalog, and as you can see, I want to enable this so people can start to actually buy this. So if I go into view my store, here's going to appear the store that we just created, and down in here, as you can see, it's been now updated our actual products. So I can go back here into my Ecwid section. I'm going to go into my dashboard once again, and here what we can do is to review the regional settings. So here into the regional settings, it's really important, guys, that you choose where you're currently from, what is the currency that's going to be working into your store, what is the price, display, the format, the weight and size, so everything you want to set it up in here, and of course the store languages based on what you're actually good at. After that, you can go into the cards and check that out. So here, this is just, for example, if you want to, let's say, for example, I want to people ask for billing address during the checkout. I'm going to enable this. Ask for a shipping postal code, ask for the company name, open back when the add to back button is clicked, and so on and on and on. So I'm going to go back here into the dashboard once again. If you go into delivery goods, this is the option where you want to enable customers, enable third parties where they can be helping you to set up your automatic rates from the different carriers and send your products. So this is something you can do really simple. What I want to be focusing in here, because it's really simple to do that, just hit into add shipping cost. You can add the options that appears into your store, into the currency, into the actual country that you're currently living. You can do exactly the same thing into the local delivery and check out your shipping rates and all that. I want to actually focus into how we're going to get paid. So if I looked down here where it says set up your payment options, we can choose, for example, payment pay by cash, and you want to enable this, or if you don't want to enable this, just disable this action and look out for the one that best suits for you. For example, let's say PayPal. If I enable my PayPal account, what I need to do is to sign into my PayPal account and then just set it up really easy. More options to accept online payments in the country currently living, in my case Mexico City. Choose a payment processor, let's say for example here, and I want to choose the one that fits for me. In my case, I'm going to be choosing Mercado Pago payments and add this payment method. So I need to sign in and import my account into Ecwid so I can start to receive money from this actual payment account details. So it's really important that you choose the client ID, the client secret, the payment method label. So it's totally up to you, and if you don't have any account to receive money, I can totally suggest you to use Stripe, because Stripe is really easy to have an account totally for free. You don't need to provide a lot of information and you can receive your money right away. So once you hit into connect and enable, just import your account here into stripe.com, or you can just create an account like right away into Stripe, and then you're actually good to go. So go back here into my dashboard, hit into your catalog. You can add some more product if you wanted to. Into my sales, going to be appearing all your different orders. So if I go into my dashboard, here's going to be appearing my different reports, the recommendations that I can add, and so on and on and on. With that being said, this is how you can get started into Ecwid. Hopefully this was a very useful information for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, guys, if you don't want to see more advanced tools, or you want to see some specific section, store management or configuration for the Ecwid here into this channel. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. See you on the next video.